Here's the top 4 cases in the market. All 4 PC cases and additional information can be found at the video description below. Taking the 4th spot is the Cooler Master MASTERCASE Pro 5. Its elegantly smooth, flexible freeform modular system supports multiple outlooks, allowing you to upgrade rather than entirely replace your case as your needs change over time. Leveraging a unique clip-and-click panel, the freeform lets users vertically adjust or entirely remove your optical disk drive and HDD by sliding the locks. It's the first Cooler Master case to incorporate 2 easy-to-install, slip-and-clip, solid-state drive pockets with 4 easy mounting positions. It splits the case by a partition panel that isolates the power supply unit and keeps drive cages separate for clean, customizable cable management with plenty of space behind the tray to keep them nice and tucked away. At number 3 is the Fractal Design Define R5. It's packed with intelligently designed, enthusiast-oriented features, delivering a silent case with powerful and expansive air and liquid cooling support, presented in a stunning Scandinavian-inspired construction. The Define R5 case reaches the highest level of silent computing through strategically placing dense sound-absorbing material, a Moduvent fan vent that covers the finely tuned dynamic series fan. The Define R5 was designed with configurability in mind, accommodating up to 8 hard drives and all modern graphics card. Should you wish to expand your system with water cooling components, for more fans, the layout can easily be configured to meet your demand. The runner-up is the NZXT H440. The new H features a doorless, ODD free front panel made entirely of steel, while a large, full-view window reveals an interior specially engineered to make any build seamless and beautiful. On the inside, an integrated power support shroud completely conceals cables and increases cable management space up to 80%. Additionally, 2 attached SSD trays mounted above the shroud allows you to easily showcase a remarkably clean interior, supporting both 140mm and 120mm fans. The steel top and front panels come crack and ready, fitting radiators up to 360mm in size, to offer comprehensive water cooling in a sleek, minimalist package. The best computer case is the RIOTORO CR1080. It's one of the smallest ATX cases supporting the full ATX standard. The direct airflow system provides unobstructed fresh air to where it's most needed. The CR1080 front panel has a 5.25-inch bay and front panel ports that are located just behind the top panel, surrounded by a ring of fire power LED. These include 2 USB 3.0 ports, headphone and microphone jacks, intermingled with power and reset buttons, and an HDD activity LED. Sandwiched between the face panel's metal insert and plastic frame, a foam sheet is responsible for the front panel dust filtration. A magnetic filter on the side panel power supply air inlet is far easier to remove. If you love what you saw, then go ahead and like the video, subscribe to support us, and hit the bell icon to get more notifications.